Hello, Clarissa here at Milam Truck Country, located at 608 River Road in Puyallup. Today we have a red 2004 Suzuki XL7EX. It does come with standard headlights and fog lights, alloy wheels. It does have a sunroof and heated mirrors. The interior is a gold cloth interior. It does have CD player, an MP3 player along with Bluetooth, auxiliary hookup and USB hookup, and all of your power options, so windows, doors, and mirrors. The back seat sits 3 adults comfortably. And in the back you have your full-size spare tire. And the tailgate opens horizontally. And you have your privacy cover to conceal any valuables. All of our inventory here at Milam does go through a thorough service and safety inspection and is beautifully detailed so that you can purchase with confidence. Give one of our sales representatives a call at 253-845-1766. And thanks for clicking on our virtual tour.